Hello all my lovely friends, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are well. Today we are sharing chicken pulao recipe, especially for busy moms and beginners. So let's see how to make it. Here we have taken 2 glasses of rice. Soak the rice into the water for 30 minutes. Here we have taken 600 grams of chicken. We need to marinate this chicken. So take 1 teaspoon chili ginger garlic paste, around 2 tablespoon yogurt, salt to taste. Mix it all together and keep it for 30 minutes. Heat up the vessel and add 4 to 5 tablespoon oil in it. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds in it, 1 crushed bay leaf, black pepper, cloves, cardamom. Fry all these spices. Add green chilies. You can skip it if you don't like spicy food. 3 finely sliced onions. Let the onion fry until it turns soft and translucent. Add salt. Remember, we already add salt when we were marinating the chicken. The onion is nicely soft now. So let's add chopped tomato in it. Mix it all well and put the lid on for cooking. After a while, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, pulao masala, chopped coriander and mint. Then add the marinated chicken on top. And nicely mix it with masala. Then cover it and keep it for cooking. Drain the rice and squeeze a lime on it. We're using lemon juice to avoid the stickiness of the rice. Flip the rice so the lemon juice will get all mixed. Let's check the chicken now. You have to cook it around 60%. So let's cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now it is time to add rice. We don't have to mix rice with the chicken. You just have to spread it over. Just like this. Make holes with the spatula just like this. So the water will reach right to the bottom. For 2 cups rice, we are adding 3.5 cup water, which is half cup less than double. Use spatula when you're pouring the water in. Don't just pour it all together. Don't forget to check the salt. If it is less, you can add salt at this point. Once it starts boiling, put the lid on and let it cook on medium heat. And keep on checking. See, it's ready within 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and leave it for another 5 minutes. And here the chicken pulao is ready to serve. I hope you like this one pot cooking. This is the perfect substitute for biryani. You do try this recipe on this weekend and write us in comments how it came out. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.